What is bank account? A bank account is an arrangement with a bank that allows you to keep your money in the bank and to take some out when you need it. In other words, a financial account maintained by a bank for a customer is said to be a bank account if it represents the funds entrusted by a customer to the financial institute and the customer can make withdrawals from it. Now I am telling about the types of bank accounts. There is a two types of bank accounts. First, demand deposit account. Second, term deposit account. Saving account and current account is demand deposit account. Fixed deposit account and recurring deposit account is term deposit account. What is demand deposit account? A demand deposit is money that you deposit into bank account from which you can withdraw on demand at any time without any advance notice to the bank. Common example of accounts that are often demand deposit accounts include many checking and saving accounts. What is saving account? It is a type of account that can be opened by a depositor at a bank. This account is used to deposit money and earn interest. One of the main benefits is the liquidity of the saving bank account. A customer can access the account as per his requirement and withdraw money whenever needed. You can put aside money which is not required immediately. The interest earned on this account is based on the minimum average balance maintained in the account. Banks are free to decide the rate of interest on the saving account, and the rate of interest varies across the bank. Currently, there are few banks that are offer interest rate as high as 6 to 7% a year on daily or saving bank accounts. Features of saving bank account. The saving bank account is where depositor parks surplus funds. A saving bank account can be used to keep emergency fund to an unexpected situation that might arise in the future. The money deposited in saving bank account earned interest quarterly. The rate of interest is lower than other bank deposit as the funds are not invested for a particular period like an FD. Currently, the interest rate on saving bank account varies from 4% to 7% a year. All saving accounts, whether held at a nationalization bank or any other financial institution, are always safe. A saving account provides the account holder with a much needed liquidity. Bank usually provide an account holder with a debit card that can be used to make a certain number of withdrawals from saving bank account. An advantage for most saving bank account holder is that bank usually offer discount on locker rental facility for customer who maintain the minimum quarterly balance. What is current account? In India, checking account is known as a current account. Current accounts are very popular in India. These accounts are apt for those who have regular transactions, especially businessmen. The current account can also be used for deposits and withdrawals along with other transactions. These accounts are also known as a demand deposit account. Most of the commercial, rural as well as the cooperative banks have the facility of current accounts. Current accounts are mostly available by businessmen as single or joint accounts. Due to the large number of transactions they carry out on a regular basis. However, the deposits that remain in the current account do not earn any interest. Features of current account. The current account allows you to make limitless withdrawals in one line with the levied cash transaction fees. And there are no restrictions applied on the deposit made into the current accounts opened at the bank home branch. Additionally, account holder can also deposit cash at other branch on paying fees as applicable. Checks, pay orders or demand draft can be issued through a current account for making direct payment to creditors. It facilitates the industrial progress of India, without which businessmen would face difficulties in running their businesses. Businesses get more benefits by the presence of various other facilities like a free inward remittance, deposits and withdrawals at any location, multi-location transfer and so on. What is term deposit? It also known as a time deposit. Term deposit are investment deposit made for a predetermined period ranging from a few months to several years. The depositor receives a predetermined rate of interest on the term deposit over the specified period. Funds deposited for a longer period command a higher interest rate. Term deposit accounts pay a higher rate of interest than traditional saving bank accounts. What is recurring deposit accounts? A recurring deposit is a special type of account that helps depositor invest money. Recurring deposit is very popular and the deposit in these accounts earn compound interest on a quarterly basis. You can open a recurring deposit account as a minimum balance required is just as 100 rupees. Recurring deposit account can be opened at any bank or post office. Longer the tenure of the monthly deposit, higher the interest. A recurring deposit account helps build a corpus by depositing cash on monthly basis and receive an attractive corpus on maturity. Features of recurring deposit. Recurring deposit help develop the regular habit of saving. The recurring deposit can be made for a minimum of 6 months to a maximum of 10 years. Generally, recurring deposit have a high rate of interest and offer good returns. A HUF can open a recurring deposit account with a post office or a bank. The bank offers loan facility on a recurring deposit at a 75 to 19% loan to value ratio. Recurring deposit can be withdrawn before maturity. Senior citizens are eligible for higher interest rate at 0.5% higher than normal investors. Fixed deposit account. A flexi fixed deposit account helps enjoy the liquidity of saving bank account as well as get high returns. As the name suggests, it is a combination of fixed deposit and of saving accounts where the customer can get the benefit of earning higher interest than saving account as well as enjoy the liquidity of a saving account. Features of fixed deposit account. Attractive interest. The fixed deposit account earns higher interest than saving bank account. Flexible tenor. The tenor for the fixed deposit account varies across the bank. The customer deposit money as per the financial requirements. Investment amount. These accounts can also give the depositor flexibility to choose the amount of money they wish to deposit. Different banks have a different upper or lower limits for the fixed deposit account. Premature withdrawal. Unlike fixed deposit, the fixed deposit account allows you to make premature withdrawal that must align with the bank's withdrawal policy. Easy to open. The process of applying the opening a fixed deposit account is very easy and does not require too much documentation. Auto renewable. Bank generally allow auto renewal of flexi fixed deposit account, ensuring account holders don't have to worry on renewals. Certificate of deposit. What is certificates of deposit? A certificate of deposit is a saving instrument that is similar to fixed deposit. Unlike fixed deposit, certificate of deposit cannot be withdrawn before maturity. These deposits have a fixed maturity date and a specified rate of interest. The certificate of deposit was introduced in Indian market in the year 1989. The certificate of deposit are issued by scheduled commercial bank and some select financial institution in India and are monitored by the RBI. The RBI issue the guidelines for certificate of deposit from time to time. There are some advantages of certificate of deposit. First, the funds are safe as the certificate of deposit is issued by the government. Second, the government guarantees that you don't lose the principal. Third, these instruments are less risky than bonds and stocks and other volatile investment. Fourth, they offer better interest rate than saving and current accounts. What is inoperative account? An inactive or dormant account with the banks is termed as an inoperative account. An account becomes inoperative if there are no transactions in the account for a period of over 2 years. Once the account becomes inoperative, the account holder cannot transact in the account. It is possible to activate an inoperative account by the following procedure. Application. A written application must be made to the branch manager requesting for revalidation of the inoperative account. It should also carry the reason for not operating the account. The application needs to be signed by all joint holders of the account.